Hello, wonderful good day. This weekend, my Japanese classmate Haruka invited me to a secret tour. The only thing that she told me was that Shotaro, her flatmate, will guide us. He is living for 12 years in New Zealand, so he knows all the nice spots where he can guide us. And yeah, after a short time thinking, I said yes, why not? I will join. And we were not alone. Also Nine and his girlfriend joined us, who I didn't know before. Shotaro brought us to the beautiful looking Tawharanui Regional Park. Driving there took us an hour. He guided us through a forest to a beach where no people are. Arriving there, I was amazed about the cool looking cliffs and the big rough black rocks on the beach. Shotaro brought his drone, but I forgot to bring mine.
You have your Mavic Air with you. Ah! I should bought mine also with me. Yui.
I was so upset that I forgot to bring my drone. So we talked a little bit about drones and I told him that I flying with the Mavic 2 Pro, and then I asked him if it would be possible if I can fly with his drone. And he said, yeah, that's cool. So yeah, I felt very honored that he trusted me. So I could fly his drone, the Mavic Air, for the first time. It was the really first time that I could fly a drone in New Zealand. And especially at this beautiful location.
What's the speed if I'm not in sport mode?
Fast enough.
Fast enough, okay.
Shotaro is so nice. In addition, I could give him, after the trip, my external SSD. He loaded the video files from his drone on it, so I could edit a nice drone video with his drone flights and my drone flights. So have fun and enjoy this video.
Really nice to fly this drone. It's so small, compact.
Yeah. At the moment, I'm using Spark's propeller.
Yeah?
That's
possible.
Yeah. So it's like when I try to take a still image, like if I do longer exposure, it's a little bit shaky, but yeah, it's looking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't thought it's possible.
I was amazed about the flight capabilities of the Mavic Air. It's so small, so fast, the video quality is nice and the connection and latency is way better than I thought because of the bad reviews about the connection. Overall, it's a good drone.
Yeah. Oh my god. This place is so beautiful. The nature here looks so amazing. I hear the drone, but I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Right there. It's the Mavic Air and it's such a small drone. But it's so much fun to fly it. It's so amazing to take pictures from here because the nature's so incredible. I think Switzerland is nice, but New Zealand, you must once in a lifetime go to New Zealand because it's so amazing. Now he lands his drone back again. Such a beautiful location to fly the drone. Last weekend I was skiing on a volcano on Mount Ropihu, and this weekend I'm here enjoying the national park. Unbelievable.
This weekend trip was so much fun. I'm glad I said yes to the unknown, so to the secret tour, and I'm also very happy that it turned out to be so great. So a big thanks goes out to Haruka for inviting me, and of course to Shotaro for guiding us around at this beautiful place and letting me flying his drone. Also a big thanks goes out to you guys. Thank you for watching and see ya in the next video. Bye bye!